So Nano Banana Pro inside anti-gravity. So Nano Banana Pro is rolling out now to Google Anti-Gravity. Let's see if we can actually create images inside anti-gravity. So if we go back here and say, okay, create the logo in the chat app, because I can't see it inside here. We've got Gemini Pro, low, Sonnet. And say use Nano Banana Pro and create a logo for my tool. Yeah, it doesn't recognize it at all. Wait. He's generating an image here. I don't think I've got Nano Banana Pro inside here, but I know how I can use it. And so I can either go to Gemini and I could say, right, okay, inside here, we can switch to create images with Nano Banana. And then as long as you've selected Thinking with 3 Pro, that'll use Nano Banana Pro, right? Whereas if you use, that's just going to use the old version of Nano Banana. Thinking with 3 Pro now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a, I just saw what anti-gravity created. It was funny. I'm going to come back to that in a sec. We'll go back to Nano Banana Pro here. And then over here, we're going to say, okay, design a more beautiful website that looks more interesting, and we should get a better UI. The other option you have for this is you can go to Stitch with Google. I actually got some training yesterday from inside the AI Profit Boardroom. So if you want like a full video tutorial and all my best trainings and resources, you can go inside there. But if we go back to Stitch here, we can do the same thing, and we'll probably get better outputs because that's what it's designed for, right? It's designed to, you can plug in like a URL or you can upload images and then you can describe what you want, right? So we can, for example, take this, go up to Stitch, select try redesign for Nano Banana Pro. So we select redesign here, and then we're going to hit enter like so. And then you can also switch between web and app design, right? So if we go back here, we go to web design, right? So we plug that in, select Nano Banana Pro, type in our prompt, and then upload the screenshot of whatever we want to insert, right? So let's grab that screenshot, copy that in, paste that image in here, hit enter on the blue sign, and then that will start redesigning our using Stitch with Google and Nano Banana Pro. We can insert it into anti-gravity to start creating a better page, right? So you can see this is the old version, and I think it's designing the new version under here. Now, if we go back to Google Gemini, we can do this inside the chat as well. So we've got the old version. This is the old version for anti-gravity, anti-gravity designed. But if we go to the new version, much cooler, sort of interesting UI here. So if we copy that image now, then we go back to anti-gravity, change the design to match this style instead on the app you've coded. And look, I don't know why, but for some reason, when we said can use Nano Banana Pro, it just created a logo for Nano Banana Pro. It doesn't make any sense. So I don't think I've got Nano Banana Pro inside the ID, but maybe I'm missing something. So it's reached a quota for both Gemini low and high. So let's change to 4.5 Sonnet. Look at that. We've got to wait till 9:30 a.m. to be able to continue using it. That is the biggest limitation of this. Now, I know it only came out like 2 days ago, so that makes sense. And to be fair, it has coded some pretty nice stuff. But just something to bear in mind there is like, be prepared to hit a lot of limits, right? So we've got the new design over here.